I'ma get.
Yeah.
I'ma sit on my men.
Yeah.
I one push there. Every grade, every type of weed. Yeah, but that's alright. Give me some of there. I'ma just right on it.
Every man will love push the ghost up. Boom, boom, the love. Boom, 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 boom. Never stop. Coach your boss. Roll out the camera. Look, Kimpa'stv live. Yeah.
Kimpa'stv, real TV, one TV, and a Kimpa'stv.
Yo, big up Kimpa'stv. Jaja, Kimpa'stv.
Hey my people, yes man, welcome to Kimpa'stv, welcome to our next video. Yeah man, that is it. You see this video, yeah man, it's a Labor Day project in Jamona community. Yeah man, that is 17 Walton Park Road, Jamona community. Yeah man, may I beg the eye them, watch the video, share. Yeah man, cause it's all about the talent them in the community. And it's a good project. Hosted by Jamona Youth Club. Yeah man, we will find all of the talent them in the community, all of the female singers, all of the male singers, all of the male DJs, yeah man, etc, etc. Yeah man, so me I beg the item for like the video, share the video, yeah man, subscribe to Kimpa'stv. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah man, that is it. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah man, and one more thing, yeah man, I'm trying to put back my video them, yeah man, pan Kimpa'stv in the main channel. Yeah man, I try to put back the vlogs them on the main channel. Yeah man, come on and build it. Yeah man, so now help me build the main channel. Yeah man, that is it. Subscribe to the main channel, like the video now man. Yeah man, share. Yeah man, it's all about fun, it's all about entertainment, it's all about Kimpa'stv. Do you like the movements? Are you supporting the movements of Kimpa'stv? Yeah man, now is the time to show the support. Like the video, do subscribe. Yeah man, share it man, send to a friend, send it to another friend, make the friend send it to a friend. Yo, Kimpa'stv, that's where it is. Yeah man, you can find the best set of vlogs. Yeah man, you know where I do it thing. That is it.
It's recording.
Put it on it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, zoom it out. Yeah, put it on it. Wow.
Wow.
CJ, Tom Cruise, yeah man, you and the whole wildlife family, big up on yourself. The 27th of July, yeah man, Wild and Wicked, endorsed it by Kimpa. Get there. Lock off them left for me now. You see the light on the side. You see it. to Lucky Crabs. Yeah, man. Lucky Crabs. Yeah, man. Check out the food. Tell you what we think. Yeah, man. You don't know the things that is it. Alright, that is it. Where's some fucking pasta and noodles fries? Hey, I laughed. I heard the boy. I heard that video. Yeah, I said going time. So going time. Why is the car going road? You have to start. Joking thing, brother. Every single time. They tell the chef say about prepare the people all the time.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Only my life last year, Joe. Rastafari. Do remember, say Bruce and he wouldn't from Samuna Community Center present family fun day and stage show. So now I say, yeah man, May 23rd. Next week, that you know, coming up, you know. Right here, 17 Walton Park Road, Kingston 30. So people know say one love and joy and unity. Come out, come represent, you know. So you have artists like Egna going to the place, you know. Isa, you have Rasnigo Sayana, you know, you have Mojo Herb. So I say Nicotine, Nazelman. So I say Drum.
Say big up Kimpa'stv. Say big up Kimpa'stv.
Big up Kimpa'stv.
That is it. No, Kimpa'stv. Big up Kimpa'stv. Yeah. Promoter YouTube, you know you go on, you know. So, promoter, one question I may ask. So, what do you think about that stage show you have to come on?
It's like our shot so far, you know.
It's a shot?
Yeah, man, it looks so far.
Remember, I'm there, I video everything, you know. So, no, miss me, you know.
Oh, it's all shot, man.
Nice, you know. Yeah, me auntie in the kitchen, you know. Yeah. See you now.
Chicken and festival. Chicken food soup. Chicken soup, Papa.
Yeah. Festival of Cry, you know. Yeah. See that festival from Mick, you know. Yeah. Jerk wanna go on the poverty, you know. And the hell of them over there, you see. Yes, sir. Yeah, early setting zone, the bartenders, them, you know, the business people, them, you know. Yeah, man, you know, when you come right, that's what, you know, loud. That is
Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, you let
You don't know better if you not smoke kush and not smoke nothing. You know better.
Need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Live it life.
People them. Right, so remember some of these from people like this. Work as a top girl, cute and girly. Yeah. My life, are the most precious thing, Yeah. My life, are the greatest thing, My life, are the most precious thing, Yeah. My life, are the greatest thing. They have to keep me head up, keep me head in this right. One day, for me mother, I pick up right. So making me step it, take she mother. Me know me have to take it, so me not stop. They say opportunity comes once in a life.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
A trend and a boy called I just see truth from my life well bossy. Independent girl, a boy can't try style. That makes girl to run a jump. Time to wise up, I want you to listen to me. Move up, girl. Move around, move up, girl. Move around, move up. Boy can't make me favor man close up. Just stop to my back station. Move up, girl. Move around, move up, girl. Move around. Now boy can't make me favor man close up. Just stop to my back. And them hype over man and them go have a fan. I'm watching the man and the boys people now. Everybody to play for this fan. Those people live to a real government. Why not ride? But no for tick and tack. But on the night of come back. Or really go. So why don't you feel so bad? People should even have space when we take that. People should never shut up and be straight that. Nobody coming at me yet had no back shot. Remember when the man after me that I fuck man when me fuck with a fuck rock bad. Right there, hold on there. That's what I say. All of them lyrics here, I'm again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit down and melt.
Yeah.
I want push there. Every grade, every type of weed. Yeah, but that's alright. You must stop there. I'm gonna just write on it. No. Alright, let's sit down one here. I can build before that. Yeah. That one I give me the inspiration for the weed. Yeah.
Yeah, they are for weed. Can I
When
know
I'm fucking up and blazing.
Every man will love push the dust up. Boom, boom, the love. That my love. Please don't get up. Download and Joe spin and send in on your gun. Look how they dance, put the fat and back up. And a food boy down, back in a catch up. Tack me and pussy me and push it till it bucks. Buck. Achoo!
Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Living life.
1 time 17, never stop. Coach your boss, roll on the camera. Look, Kimpa'stv live. Yeah. I'm here to say, I'm our big up all real friends, real people, cookie. Even if it's just a few, you know, my wife out there, so tiny, large. Cause I don't rate them no more. Cause them never rate me. I know me not far with them no more. None of that. Cause them boy they not real. So me don't rate them no more. Cause them never rate me. I know me not far with them no more. None of that. Cause them boy they not real. Yo, me tired of the fakeness. For my friends, them are straightness. Got to all the things said nowadays. It's like my have to make a face. Hard life, man, I face it. No, me should not face it. Now I see me shine on my days. Cause me not get no face. They pray them no more. Cause them never rate we just start. Next job we no fire with them. Cause them, alright. Yeah, and the girl them king. Alright. Wine up yourself. 6:30. Wine up yourself. Simmons, wine up yourself. Everything goes as well. Miguel, foot on the left, foot on the right. Baby, stop it down, work with the mic.
But this girl them want to scream. Now we want to boom clean. Y'all know? Yo. Alright, let me sing set. Back shot. Every girl from your love back shot. Then over to make your body clap. She love them and them with the big block. Back shot. Wi-Fi done pull up your ass spot. She can't take him and them you love chat. She want fuck on it, just a fuck on the whatnot. Big than the young.
Coffee, listen me now, man. How fast the way quick my own. Remember the woman them waiting. Now woman wait so long my own. Oh, let's have it for.
Together. We love it. They don't know something like this. So we have to give God thanks to you know. Big up Father Junior. We don't know condolence. For something like this. There will be mountains that I will have to climb, and there will be battles that I will have to fight. But victory or defeat, it's up to me to decide. But how can I expect to win if I never try? I just can't.
See, Mr. Tapone, Mr. Rose, Mr. Finn, Mr. Jarrett. I remember at the community where the diaspora were extending them assistance to the Labor Day project this today. Yeah man, that's you know.
Yeah man, that is it in a jam on a Labor Day project, you know man. Stage show and everything. Yeah man, right on the 17th, we don't forget that too. Because the era is deep, you have to mention the era, you know, see me I say?
17 30 now, 1 time,